She can't fly over there. She's an angel. I don't care if you can't see her wings. Watch her fly. Yeah. Motherfucker. Oh.
So listen, until I can get a male singer to help me do these videos, you're catching these second-born vocals. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, second-born, first graduated, signed and validated. So another quick video for you today. This microphone, I've had this microphone for about 3 weeks now, and I cannot get enough of it. It rivals your Neumann TLM 103, your AKG 414, at a fraction of the cost. This microphone has been keeping up with all of my premium mics, and it costs less than $500. Handmade capsules from the city of Vienna, the city of music. Mozart, Wolfgang, Beethoven, Strauss, Vienna Philharmonic, Vienna Ensemble Pro. I just love that software. Point is, they understand music. I know I can trust whatever's coming out of the music vein in Vienna. Today we are looking at the OC16 from Austrian Audio. I want to thank Austrian Audio for sending me this microphone so I can show to you guys. So let's unbox it. Austrian Audio OC16. The OC16 is a large diaphragm condenser microphone. It's a handcrafted CKR6 ceramic capsule, handmade in Vienna. It's like the CKR12 found in their OC818, but with a single diaphragm. That's a metal housing, cap, and grill. Nice flat frequency response, a little bit of top-end shimmer. The frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It's a high precision cardioid pattern. Really simple design with a switchable high-pass filter, 40 Hz and 160 Hz, and a self-noise of 14 dB average. The capsule is suspended elastically at 3 points within its cage. That's their open acoustic technology, minimizing any structure noise, reflection, artifacts, giving you the cleanest possible signal. With the SPL of 148 dB, that's insane. It comes with a mic clip, an elastic spider shock mount, and a soft carrying case. Costs $399 US. It's nothing like getting a well-designed, well-built microphone in your hands like this. That open acoustic technology is one of the things that makes this microphone special. You want a clean, clear, pristine recording, and you don't want your microphone to get in the way. That is one of my absolute favorite things about this mic. It punches well above its weight and gives you all the value in return for your investment. Let's get it to the desk, plug it in. So the sound that you're hearing right now is coming from the OC16, and I'm about, what is this? Maybe a foot away from the mic. Here's about 6 inches away from the mic. Here's about 2 inches away from the mic. It's one of those mics where you pull the trigger on, can't go wrong with it. Just an amazing, useful addition under $500. And I love it. It's perfect for studio recording, voiceover work, podcasts, whatever you want to throw at it. It's an excellent first mic choice and an even better additional mic choice. If you're looking for a microphone under $500, this is a fantastic option. Excellent value for your money. How do you improve on a microphone that does everything well? Give it a paint job and a few upgrades.
I want to look like a superstar.